old, I'm Thai. I am not good at cooking, but I cook since I have been living in the United States. On the first day until now is almost 11 years. I like to eat fish, but I don't know much about any kind of fish. Especially, I have no idea what are they in Thai. Even though I don't know much about Thai name of the fish. I mean the fish in Thailand too. So I bought frozen MahiMahi fillet and swordfish, and then I would like to cook as steak, but I didn't look at any ingredient online, just only I seasoning as usual. I add the olive oil and lemon seasoning on the fish and then mix them very well before I put in the pan for grill, and add a little bit basil pepper, and then I do stir fried, which I like to eat this vegetable, sugar pea, bell pepper, not bell pepper, sweet pepper, mushroom. I mix in the bowl from the fish, which still have olive oil and seasoning left in the bowl, and then serve with hot rice. The taste not too bad, just only less flavor, so next time I will add more seasoning, lemon and pepper. Okay, happy meal, and thank you for watching my video. Please continue watching to the end. Have a good meal. Bye.